Enabling two-factor authentication 2FA on Fivetran adds an extra layer of security to your account. Follow these steps to set it up effectively. Step 1. Log into your Fivetran account. Access the Fivetran website and enter your login credentials to sign into your account. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed to breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 3. Find the two-factor authentication option. In the account settings, look for the security section. Here, you should see an option for two-factor authentication. Click on it to proceed. Step 4. Choose your 2FA method. Fivetran typically offers various methods for 2FA, such as using an authentication app or receiving SMS codes. Select your preferred method and follow the on-screen instructions to set it up. Step 5. Confirm and save changes. After setting up your chosen 2FA method, confirm the changes. You may be required to enter a verification code to finalize the setup. Ensure everything is saved properly. Now that you have enabled two-factor authentication, your Fivetran account is more secure. Remember to keep your authentication method accessible for future logins.